Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to dive deep into data types in Rust. As you may know, data types are building blocks of any programming language. Rust being a statically typed language has some unique and powerful features when it comes to data type. Let's start. Rust is a statically typed language, which means the type of every variable is known at compile time. This might sound some restrictive, but it is a huge advantage. It ensures your code is error-free and optimized before it even runs. Rust divides its data types into two types, scalar types and compound types. For scalar types, uses single values, and compound types for grouping multiple values together. By the end of this video, you will understand both, and in upcoming videos, we will practice them one by one. Scalar type. Let's start with scalar type. A scalar type represents a single value. Rust offers four primary scalar types, that is integer, floating point number, boolean, character. Integer, which is a whole number. Floating point number for decimal and fraction, boolean for true and false, character which include letters, symbol and even emojis. Integer are perhaps the most commonly used scalar types. Rust support both signed and unsigned integer. Means signed integer can store positive and negative numbers, while unsigned integer can only store positive. Rust gives you flexibility in integer size, ranging from 8-bit to 128-bit, and even architecture dependent size like I size and U size. We will dive deeper into practicing integer types in upcoming videos. Let's see integer Rust integers, literals. Rust also support various integer literals, which let your which let you represent number in different formats, such as for binary, for hexadecimal, for octal, for binary, and for byte. And of course, we will practice using integer literal in detail in upcoming videos. Floating point number. Rust also has two primitive types for floating number, which are number with decimal point. Rust's floating point are F32 and F64. The default type is F64 because on modern CPUs, it's roughly the same speed as F32 but is capable of more precision. Floating point number are essential for precision calculation. We will practice how to work with them step by step in upcoming videos. Boolean and character. Moving on to Boolean and character. A Boolean can only be true or false, making it essential for condition and logic. Character in Rust. Character in Rust are more powerful than any language. A character can represent a single Unicode character, whether it is a letter, a symbol, or even an emoji. We will write and practice code for these concepts in details in upcoming videos. Now we have covered scalar type. Let's talk about compound types. These are used for group multiple values into a single type. Rust provides three main compound types, that is tuple, arrays, vectors. Each of these has unique uses and we will practice them thoroughly in upcoming videos. First, tuple. A tuple is a general way of grouping together a number of values with a variety of types into one compound type. Tuple has fixed length and once declared they cannot be grow or shrink in size. We create tuple by writing a comma separated list of values inside parentheses. Each position in a tuple has a type and the types of different values in the tuple don't have to be same. Tuple are great for returning multiple values from a function. We will practice creating and destructuring tuple in upcoming videos. An array. Now it's time for array. An array is a fixed size collection where all elements are of same type. Array are stored on the stack, making them efficient for predictable dataset. Array are perfect when you know the size of your data in advance. We will practice working with arrays including iteration and indexing in upcoming videos. Unlike arrays, vectors are dynamic and can grow or shrink in size. They are defined using vec type. Vectors are ideal for handling variable sized data. We will practice creating, modifying, and accessing vector in upcoming videos. Now, array versus vector. Array are fixed in size and defined in square bracket, while vector are dynamic, resizable, and use vec type. Both have their own strength and the choice depends on your use case. We will explore these differences in depth through hands-on coding in upcoming videos. Here, Rust is a statically typed language ensuring safety and performance. Scalar types like integer, boolean represent single values. Compound types like tuple and vector help you manage collection of data. We will continue practicing each concept step by step in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you next one. Let's keep building with Rust. Thank you.